Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to erase writing on a whiteboard. So this I did during one of my classes, but if you want to know how to get writing on the board, you can watch my How to Write on a Whiteboard video. Anyway, there's this thing first of all. It's called an eraser. It may look very different from a pencil eraser, but it's just as useful. You put it on the text you want to erase and slide it across. And look, the text is now gone. You can keep doing that on all of the text you made, like this, until it's all gone. But what if you don't have this? Instead, you can use your hands. Just do this, and it gets rid of it. But it's a lot slower. Another technique is to use your shirt like this. However, you might get ink on your shirt, so sometimes people don't do this. And finally, if you have a tissue, like the one from my previous video, although don't use the same tissue from the previous video because you don't want to get snot on the board, you can move it across and it'll act just like the eraser, except now the tissue has ink on it, so you're going to have to throw away the tissue when you're done. Don't sneeze into it. Anyway, I hope you thought this video was useful, and I'll see you next time. Bye.